Loss of citizenship. Loss of citizenship means that a person ceases to be an Indian citizen in accordance with the provisions of the Citizenship Act, 1955. Indian citizenship can be lost in three ways, namely renunciation, termination, and deprivation. Renunciation occurs when an Indian citizen voluntarily gives up citizenship by making a formal declaration. Termination takes place automatically when a person voluntarily acquires the citizenship of a foreign country, as India does not allow dual citizenship. Deprivation is an action taken by the government to take away citizenship, mainly in cases of fraud, disloyalty to the constitution, assisting an enemy during war, or long residence outside India. These provisions ensure that Indian citizenship is enjoyed only by those who remain loyal and legally connected to India, thereby protecting national security, sovereignty, and integrity. Indian citizenship can be lost by renunciation, termination, acquiring foreign citizenship, deprivation, by government order under certain conditions. Loss of citizenship means that a person ceases to be an Indian citizen. The Citizenship Act, 1955 provides three legal ways by which Indian citizenship can be lost. These provisions ensure that citizenship is retained only by those who remain loyal to India. Meaning, loss of citizenship refers to the termination of Indian citizenship either by the person's own act or by action of the government, according to law. Modes of loss of Indian citizenship. There are three ways in which Indian citizenship can be lost. Renunciation, termination, acquiring foreign citizenship, deprivation, by government order under certain conditions. Modes of loss of Indian citizenship. There are three ways in which Indian citizenship can be lost. Renunciation, termination, acquiring foreign citizenship, deprivation, by government order under certain conditions. Renunciation of citizenship. A citizen may voluntarily give up Indian citizenship. Must make a formal declaration to the government. On renunciation, the person becomes an alien, foreigner. Minor children also lose citizenship, but they can resume it later. Renunciation of citizenship is one of the ways by which Indian citizenship can be voluntarily given up under the Citizenship Act, 1955. It occurs when a person who is an Indian citizen makes a formal declaration to renounce his or her citizenship to the Government of India. Once the declaration is accepted, the person ceases to be an Indian citizen and becomes a foreigner. As a consequence, the minor children of such a person also lose Indian citizenship, but they are given the right to resume Indian citizenship on attaining majority. Renunciation is based on the principle of free choice, allowing individuals to change their nationality while ensuring that the process is legal and regulated. Termination of citizenship. Occurs when a person voluntarily acquires citizenship of another country. Indian citizenship is automatically terminated. Based on the principle that India does not allow dual citizenship. Termination of citizenship is a mode of loss of Indian citizenship under the Citizenship Act, 1955. It takes place when an Indian citizen voluntarily acquires the citizenship of a foreign country. In such a case, Indian citizenship is automatically terminated by operation of law, without the need for any formal declaration by the government. This rule is based on the principle that India does not recognize dual citizenship. The moment foreign citizenship is acquired, the person loses all rights and privileges of an Indian citizen. Termination of citizenship ensures exclusive loyalty to one nation and helps protect the sovereignty and national interest of India. Purpose of provisions on loss of citizenship. To protect national security. To ensure loyalty to the Indian state. To prevent misuse of citizenship rights. The provisions relating to loss of citizenship are meant to ensure that Indian citizenship is enjoyed only by those who maintain a genuine legal and loyal connection with India. These provisions help prevent the misuse of citizenship rights by persons who voluntarily adopt the nationality of another country or act against the interests of the Indian state. By allowing renunciation, termination, and deprivation of citizenship, the law protects national security, sovereignty, and integrity. It also ensures clarity and certainty in citizenship status and reinforces the principle that citizenship involves rights as well as responsibilities. Thus, the purpose of these provisions is to maintain the purity, loyalty, and lawful character of Indian citizenship. Importance: maintains purity of Indian citizenship, supports the policy of single citizenship, strengthens sovereignty and integrity of India. The provisions relating to loss of citizenship are important for maintaining the integrity and security of the Indian nation. They ensure that citizenship is not misused by persons who have divided loyalties or who act against the interests of the state. By clearly laying down the conditions for renunciation, termination, and deprivation, the law provides certainty and uniformity in matters of citizenship. These provisions also support the principle of single citizenship, as India does not allow dual nationality. Overall, the rules on loss of citizenship help preserve the purity of Indian citizenship, strengthen national sovereignty, and ensure that citizenship remains a responsible legal status rather than a mere privilege. Conclusion: the provisions relating to loss of citizenship ensure that Indian citizenship is not misused and remains a matter of legal responsibility and national loyalty. The Citizenship Act, 1955 provides a fair and lawful framework for ending citizenship when required. The provisions on loss of citizenship play a crucial role in ensuring that Indian citizenship is retained only by those who remain lawfully and loyally connected to the nation. Through renunciation, termination, and deprivation, the Citizenship Act, 1955 creates a balanced system that respects individual choice while safeguarding national interest and sovereignty. These provisions reinforce the idea that citizenship carries not only rights but also duties and allegiance, making them an essential part of India's constitutional and legal framework.